Nvidia is a major force in the tech industry, known for developing advanced graphics processing units, also known as GPUs, that play a key role in powering artificial intelligence applications. Many investors consider Nvidia a foundational company in the AI space, as its technology supports the growth and development of AI across nearly every aspect of modern life. With a market value approaching $3 trillion, Nvidia has become so large that it now has the resources to invest in other promising AI companies. These investments often involve strategic partnerships or future collaborations. By the end of its fourth fiscal quarter in 2025, which concluded on January 26th, Nvidia held a stock portfolio worth nearly $305 million. At that time, 81% of that portfolio was invested in just 3 innovative companies focused on artificial intelligence. Before we begin, this video is not an investment advice and must do your own diligence. However, with my experience investing for years, the content from this video has a solid research foundation. Check our Patreon on the description below for an inside members-only access on what are the best buys now. We will also update you on what to sell for gains or to avoid losses. Subscribe to our channel so you will never miss out. At the end of the fourth quarter, Nvidia held nearly $136 million worth of shares in ARM holdings. This made up around 45% of Nvidia's total stock portfolio. Earlier, the position was even larger, but Nvidia sold more than 850,000 shares during the quarter. ARM Holdings is a semiconductor company based in the United Kingdom. It owns the intellectual property behind the core technology used in many of the chips found in today's most advanced tech products, used by some of the biggest companies in the world. Back in 2020, Nvidia attempted to acquire ARM for $40 billion, but the deal fell through due to regulatory challenges. However, this turned out to be a positive twist for ARM. Nvidia later invested in ARM's initial public offering, and the company now holds a market value close to $130 billion. ARM and Nvidia have had a long-standing partnership. ARM's technology has been used in many of Nvidia's chips, including its next-generation Blackwell GPUs. Since going public in September 2023, ARM's stock has more than doubled. In 2024, the company reported a 27% increase in revenue compared to the previous year. Earnings per share also jumped significantly, rising from 7 cents to 76 cents. Despite a slight dip of around 4% this year, ARM's stock has held up well compared to others in the AI space. Still, with a valuation of roughly 76 times forward earnings, some investors are cautious. Concerns about future demand for AI have been raised. While that adds some risk, strong or growing demand for AI could continue to drive ARM's success. At the end of the fourth quarter, Nvidia held an investment worth approximately $59 million in Applied Digital. This represented about 19.4% of its investment portfolio. Applied Digital is a company that builds data centers designed specifically for artificial intelligence. These centers are located near renewable energy sources, feature advanced liquid cooling systems, and are built to scale for future growth. Applied Digital uses Nvidia graphics processing units, or GPUs, to support high-performance computing tasks. In 2023, Applied was awarded Elite Partner status in Nvidia's partner network. This recognition gives the company priority access to Nvidia's latest technologies. By supporting Applied Digital, Nvidia is also investing in its own long-term success. Currently, Applied Digital is not yet profitable. For the 6-month period ending November 30th, the company reported a loss of 81 cents per share. That compares to a 21-cent per share loss during the same period 1 year earlier. While the stock has shown some volatility, analysts remain optimistic. In late January, analyst Joe Flynn from Compass Point gave the stock a buy rating with a price target of $10 per share. That suggests potential upside of about 33% from its price as of March 25th. He believes there's a strong chance Applied Digital could soon secure a major data center contract with a large cloud provider. Recursion Pharmaceuticals is not a typical artificial intelligence infrastructure company. Instead, it's a biotechnology firm using AI to revolutionize how drugs are discovered. By the end of last year, Nvidia held an investment in Recursion valued at $52.1 million, which made up 17% of its related portfolio. Recursion applies machine learning and data analysis to better understand biological systems with the goal of accelerating drug development. The company operates one of the most advanced automated laboratories in the world. In this lab, robots and sensors help run and digitize millions of experiments every week. These tests span cellular systems, chemical systems, tissue systems, and even animal models. Recursion also claims to have access to the fastest supercomputer in the biotech industry. In July 2023, Nvidia made a $50 million investment in Recursion through a private funding round. Along with the funding, Nvidia provided access to its advanced computing technology. Following the announcement, Recursion's co-founder Chris Gibson stated that their goal is to build powerful foundation models in biology and chemistry, models that operate on a scale never before seen in the field. While Recursion is still in the early stages and not yet profitable, the company has a growing pipeline of 10 clinical and preclinical drug programs. Like many emerging biotech firms, it represents a high-risk, high-reward opportunity. Success depends on getting its drug candidates through development and approved before funding runs out. With innovative technology and strong partnerships, Recursion is a company to watch, especially for those open to more speculative investments. Give us a like if you like our video, subscribe, and ring the bell to never miss out. Check our Patreon for an inside look on what are the best buy and sell stocks every week.